Well, initially I was a tad bit skeptical. I thought it was going to be too long, too big for my workspace, and so I actually started out just using half of it. As I've used it, it's rare that I set up half of it anymore. It's really rare. In fact, I usually try to find a place where I can set up the whole thing. It's just so much nicer to use when the whole thing's set up.
The longer we've had it, I don't know how long we've had it, probably 3 months, maybe a little bit more. And I'm right on the verge of actually buying one myself.
The money's really not an issue when you realize what you've got.